Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to be showing us I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make this design that I have put on this gift bag. So I have got an event on the 29th of April. By the time I post this video, it would have gone past the event date, but I just thought I would record this process just to show you how this turned out, or how I managed to make this thing. This is just a sample one. It doesn't look as good, but I've tried a few others out and they actually look really good. So I just thought I'll just show you how this works and what I did to make it come out this way. So initially I planned to actually get it custom, like the whole thing custom made, but the size that was made wasn't actually what I wanted. So I just thought I would improvise and DIY it. So this is what I'm going to be doing to get this done. So first things first, I've got my thermal printer. It doesn't use ink, like you already know, or if in case you do not know. So I use my thermal printing for quite a lot of things. I print so many things with my thermal printer, and it's very cost effective, so it just works out very well. I've also got my 4x6 inches labels. This is a 250, and I use it to print the packaging slips that I usually use to send customers orders. I've got some already like stuck in the printer for now, ready to go. Then I've got the boxes of the goodie bag. So this is the goodie bag I'm going to be using for my event on the 29th of April. So I've got boxes of 100, or I've got 5 boxes, 20 each, so all together is 100. But I'm just going to do the 60 now, and then closer the day I can do the remaining ones. So that's how it all comes in. So I'm going to be printing this out and then just sticking on it. So I've done a design of what I'm going to be doing. So I'll just turn the camera around just to show you what I'm doing and the design I have created. So that's the design I have created on Canva. It just has my brand name, MAD collection. All of this I've just literally just done them now. And have got the pro version of Canva, so I'm able to try out like different font sizes, and it just comes out really well. Now thermal printers can only print in black and white, so I didn't just do anything too fanciful. And then I've just got my social media name and the platforms is on, my website and my email address, and that is just it. I've saved it as a PDF document, and I've just got that here. So I've got some papers currently in the printer. This handmade with love. I also used this thermal printer to print it, just to see how it was going to come out, and I think it came out really nice. So I've just left this on there. So that is all nicely done, so you can do whatever design you want. I use Canva for the most part. Whatever design software tool you want to use is totally fine, as long as you get whatever you want to create. So I'm just gonna send that to print. I'm not sure how many papers I've got on there, but I'll just send, like, because I'm trying to do for 60, I will send all 60. So I'm just going to check that all the settings are correct. So it's a Moonbeam printer. It's 4x6 inches. So initially the ink wasn't, so I call it ink. The printing wasn't very dark. So what I've just done is I've gone into page setup, and I have just darkened so the higher the density, the darker the color looks. And then I've just put the speed on 3. It's currently on portrait because that's how I want it to come out. And I just clicked on OK. I'll put the quantity as, let's see, I've printed 10 already, so I'll probably just put 50 now. and I will print. Okay, so that's nicely printed out now. I'm just going to cut this and then we'll start sticking it up on the paper. So this is I just want this away. This is what we're going to be using to put all the papers on. Not the paper, we're going to be putting all of this on. So what I'm trying to do is just trying to make sure that it's kind of sat in the middle. This is not really a big ruler, but I'm just going to eyeball it. So where this is, I'll just kind of put it in there and then stick it that way. So I'm just going to do one at a time. Peel the edge. So that's what it looks like. It doesn't look that straight unless it's my eyes. I'll just try a few more. Eyeball it, peel the edge, eyeball it, peel the edge. Okay, eyeball it. Peel it. So I'll just keep going until I get it all done. See how quickly I can get this done. So at the minute, I like timing myself just so I know what I'm doing and how quickly I'm going. So at the minute it is 20. Ooh, I've got a new order in. It's currently 20 to 12 midnight. Like, why am I still awake at almost midnight? So it's currently 20 to 12, as you can see. So I'm just going to see how long this is going to take me to do. I'll just get it done as quickly as possible. Okay guys, so I have finished all 60 of them, and well, I finished it for a bit now, but I've just been doing some other things. I think I'll be going to bed now because the last time I checked it was, I think, 20 to 12. It's currently 20 to 1, so it didn't take that long to get it done because I had finished like just after midnight, so about 30 minutes to do 60. So that's what they all currently look like now. I would get that nice closed. This is basically good and ready to go. And that's it from me, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the content of this video. So I've literally just showed you how to make something like this. So that's everything from me, guys. If you've enjoyed the content of this video, please remember to give it a like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, turn on the bell notification so when I post any upcoming videos you get notified. And I would see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.